Okay, hello guys. I've been requested to do a video about prime numbers. So here we go. So now basically, I'm going to teach you what is prime number and how to get prime numbers. Okay. So now prime numbers is actually a number that has only two factors. Okay, two factors, one and itself. Okay, you guys should know the meaning of factor first. Okay, the meaning of factor is, for example, I'll show you. If 2 times 4 equals to 8, so 2 and 4 we call as factor. Okay, 2 and 4 we call as factor. So meaning, if you are looking for a prime number, make sure that the factors are only 2 for that number. Okay, so 1 is not a prime number as it has only one factor. Okay, let's say 1. So how do you get 1? 1 times 1. So 1 is considered as one number only, so it only has one factor, so meaning this is not a prime number. Okay, so now let's say, for example, we are looking for number 2. Okay, so the factors are 1 and 2, because 1 times 2 is 2, so there's only 2 factors, so 2 is a prime number. Now let's say we look for 4. So 4, how do we get 4? 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So now we look here, 1, 2, 4. There's 3 factors, so it doesn't fit the first one, so meaning 4 is not a prime number. Now let's say for 7. Okay, so how do you make 7? Find the factor, 1 and 7, and there's no more, there's nothing that you multiply can get 7, so there's only 2 factors, so 7 is a prime number. So that is the basic first, how to get a prime number. Now we are going to find the prime numbers between 1 and 100. So some people call this as the sieve of Eratosthenes, something like that. Okay, so what it means is that you just have 100 square. Okay, 100 square. So first of all, you shade in 1 as it is not a prime number. So basically what we're doing here is we are shading all that are not prime numbers and we are leaving the prime numbers empty. Okay, so shade in 1. The first prime number is 2. So 2. So why you shade all the multiples of 2? Because all the multiples of 2, let's say 4, 6, 8, 10, all of this can be divided by 2. So meaning there will be more than 2 factors. Okay, so that's why we shade all the multiples of 2. So there we go, we shade all the multiples of 2. Anything that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay, so now let's look at the next one, the next prime number. Okay, since from here we already did with 2, now the next one is 3. Okay, so 3, the next prime number is 3. Color in all multiples of 3 except for 3. Okay, some will have already been colored in. Right, so you just count in 3s and then you shade all the multiples of 3. The pink ones are already shaded and the red ones are the new one, so you combine all together, so you have a new one. Okay, all the colors of multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Okay, moving on, we already finished 2 and 3. Okay, so now 4 we have to skip. Next is 5. Okay, now the next prime number is 5, so color in all multiples of 5 except for 5. Okay, so now there's our multiples of 5. Again, the pink one are already shaded and the red ones are the ones that are not shaded yet, so you combine all together. Now you already have looked for multiples of 2, 3 and 5. Okay, multiple 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5. 6 we can skip. Now we look at 7. Okay, next is the next prime number is 7, so color in all multiples of 7 except for 7. Again, the pink ones are shaded already and all the red ones are the new shaded one for multiple of 7. So you combine all together. Okay, you combine all together. These are all the shaded multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so you see here 7 done, 8 skip, 9 skip, 10 skip, and then we have 11 next. Okay, so the next prime number is 11. However, if you check back from your 100 square, all of them are already shaded except for 11 times 11, but it's already more than 100, so no need to check. So now the numbers that are left are all the prime numbers. Okay, so basically you can pause the video and you can have a look at all the prime numbers. So there's supposed to be 20, 25. So let's just list them down. So we have here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and finally 97. So from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. So I hope this video helped in understanding prime numbers. So don't worry, these are all the basic prime numbers that you have to understand. They would not go beyond this as for your level for grade 6 or primary 6. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video.